Have you ever wondered how your email knows that which is spam and what is important? It's not a magic, it's just math, especially an 18th century formula called Bayes' theorem. Today we are going to demonstrate an algorithm that uses Bayes' theorem to solve a classification problem. We'll look at actual math symbols, the priors, the likelihoods, and then calculate the results step by step. So first is the theorem, right? Um, let's look at the formula. So P is equal to AB is what we want to find. We call this the posterior. It is called by multiplying the likelihood and the prior. Which, here the likelihood is P B upon A and the prior is PA. And dividing by the total evidence. In simple English, new belief is equal to support for evidence times old belief divided by the total evidence, right? So this was the mathematical side of this. The next is uh, the problem setup, right? We are taking an example to solve it. So let's apply this to a spam filter. We want to know it is spam or not spam. So here is our given data, the priors. Without reading the email, we know 40% of the emails are spam, right? So we got a spam probability as 0.4. That is our starting guess. The likelihood, we know that if the email is spam, there is an 80% chance it contains the word offer. But if an email is safe, there is only a 10% chance it contains offer, right? So this was the setup, and now we see the calculations of it, right? So now an email arrives. It has the word offer inside it, right? So let's just calculate the first the spam path of it, right? So here we see that the likelihood. Let's take the likelihood as 0.8 times prior 0.4, and that gives us 0.32, right? Next we calculate the not spam path. The likelihood 0.8 times the prior 0.6, that gives us 0.06. To get the final probability, we perform normalization. We take the spam score 0.32 and divide it by the total of both scores, 0.32 plus 0.06. So the result comes up at 84.2. So the presence of just one word flipped our belief from 40% to 84%. Next is an interactive demo to show how this algorithm works. So currently the bar chart shows our prior, and here the orange thing is spam, which is low at 40%. But look what happens when we verify the evidence, right? See, I click on email contain offer and boom, the algorithm updates instantly. The spam probability jumps to 84%. So this is exactly how Naive-Bayes classifier works in the real world, updating probabilities as every new word is found. So by using Bayes' theorem, we turned a guess into a mathematical certainty. So this was all in the video. Thank you.